Hi everyone, Dave here with Practicon to talk to you a little bit today about our lock and reload couplers. If you're familiar with these, you probably know how much money and time these little things can save. Most dental offices have plenty of these lying around. They're probably half empty or 3/4 empty, not quite enough to use for a full procedure, but more than you want to throw away. The beauty of the lock and reload couplers is the fact that you can actually take two of these cartridges, connect them together, and fill one cartridge full of material, saving yourself a little bit of time in the next procedure and eliminating a lot of waste. The tricky thing is getting them to work properly. Many people have a tendency to want to put one on, twist it, and then try and cram the other one on, and it doesn't work so well. So I wanted to take a little bit of time today to teach you the proper way to install a lock and reload coupler so that you can teach your customers the exact way to do it. So let's get started. First, make sure that the label for both of your cartridges is on the same side so that the catalyst and base is on the same orientation in both cartridges. There's a couple manufacturers out there that don't always have the best QC when it comes to this, so make sure you're not putting catalyst in the base and base in the catalyst when you're extruding from one cartridge to the next. Next, take your donor cartridge, pop the top off, and then simply place the lock and reload on top in the orientation that you see. There's an arrow on the top of the cartridge as well as inside the coupler itself. Simply line that up and push it on. At this point, don't twist. That's important. Some people have a tendency to twist those on immediately and it creates a problem. Then simply take the other side, line that up with the same arrow, then simply take your donor cartridge, slide it into your impression gun using our BFC3 automatic impression gun here, and simply extrude the two pieces together. There we go. Now you've got material going from one side into the next. Easy and simple. And just like that, you've refilled the contents of one cartridge into the next. For more information about the lock and reload and other great products from Practicon, feel free to give me a call, 866-429-4902, or just email me at dbrown@practicon.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.